first step is you're gonna want to wash your hands really good, get any lotion, moisturizer off of those hands. Next, you are going to grab the cuticle stick that comes in the box and just push back those cuticles. Next is you're gonna take the file and you are gonna buff those nails really good. This is gonna help the glue bond. Do not skip this step, it's super important. Next is grab some rubbing alcohol and just clean up those nails. Okay, next is sizing. This is probably gonna take the longest out of all the steps. So you wanna make sure you get the correct size. You want the nail to lay down really nicely. If it's too small, then it's gonna pop off sooner. So size up if you need to size up. Next is a glue. So follow the glue wear time instructions on the back of the box. But if you know that you're harder on your nails and press-on nails have not worked for you, then apply more glue, apply extra glue. And we are all done, you guys. So pretty. So follow for more DIY nails.